my belt away, but I'm keeping my championship belt.
Are you doing the shotguns, Cap?
I like my first champ.
Ah, okay, no worries.
The championship bow has all the memories.
Alright guys, I'm gonna give you a shotgun each, okay?
It has sentimental value and therefore it's worth 1,000 planks.
Guys, just make it like a small line, just so I can give you a shotgun each.
No one else interested when we said shotguns? Oh no, there is a couple of people. Is there a policy on dual wielding shotguns?
Yeah.
Like Borderlands? Clearly I'm
How should I do it? I can give them all shotgun
Well, yeah,
shells
we can,
now.
that's
Yeah, that's right.
Why
I've given
mistake?
one shotgun, but I can give them all shotgun shells now before they enter the
They've got
arena.
one bullet in.
Because it's the smaller crowd, I can sort of control them more.
God.
Right, guys, I'm gonna.
Guys, I'm gonna give you the shotgun shells now, because it's a smaller crowd, we can sort of control it better, okay? But don't obviously shoot until we get into the arena.
Okay.
Go, I'm gonna fucking watch you like a hawk. If you shoot anyone, you're just gonna get banned straight away, alright?
Poor mountain goat.
You never do anything wrong apart from hitting me with fucking rocks all the time.
He's a mountain goat, he lives with it. He and the rocker one.
Alright, make a little line.
He's been with the rocks all his life.
We got this
Okay,
way.
ready? Once you got the shells, just go to a side.
Hello?
He only did it once, twice or 3 times.
You need a person there, like. Yeah, dual wheeled shotguns would be sick, like.
Everyone's got a shotgun, everyone's got their
Yes!
Yeah.
Someone else is wrecking the dual wheel shotgun idea.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Right, Cap. If
Can
we'll
I
go
be
through
the
right to the
necromancer
last
so I
door.
can have death trap?
That's not fair, you can't.
You okay, Cap? Ah, okay. Yeah.
As it's like.
Yeah, that's what I want to be the necromancer.
We've all got our shotgun,
On a-
we've all got our
on a
shells,
big
so we can basically shoot each other now. But when we get into the arena, we'll get into a corner or so, and then do a countdown, and then we'll start playing. Okay?
You just said shoot each other.
No, I'm saying no, don't shoot each other now. I'm just saying, because we can just go into the arena, and when we get in there, whoever's behind someone, you can just shoot them, and we don't want to do that, because that's unfair. So like, get in a position, and then do a countdown, then do it. Okay?
There's tips and blacker.
Alright, come through. Well, come through to the arena, but don't shoot when you get in the arena. Do not shoot when you get into the arena. Okay?
I got the Spaz 12 going on. I'm pumped,
Don't
this is full on.
shoot. Remember, just don't
Question.
shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot.
No one's got their leather. Should I take my leather off?
Take the leather off, yeah, because we're the minority, aren't we?
Everybody naked in?
Yeah, okay.
You shut the door on me!
Oh, sorry, dude. Sorry.
Didn't
Okay,
see our
don't shoot,
ruler.
don't shoot. So get into a corner, get into your position, and then...
I'm bowing down.
Cap, then you say when go, okay?
Kill everyone.
Okay.
Friendly? Friendly?
Right, when you're ready, dude.
I'm friendly.
3, 2, 1.
No, I killed Sweat.